Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Miele Mini is probably one of the most compact and efficient washing machines available, perfect for small apartments, RVs, or anyone looking to save space without compromising on cleaning power, making it an ideal solution for modern living where every inch counts and convenience is key. Number 5. Klein Theo Miele Washing Machine Toy. Introducing the Klein Theo Miele Washing Machine, a premium toy designed for kids aged 3 and up. It's built with passion and durability for hours of fun. Crafted from durable plastic materials, this toy encourages imaginative play. It provides children with endless entertainment and creative opportunities. Inside the box, you'll find a miniature washing machine and 2 packages of washing powder. Please note that batteries are not included. Experience realistic play with its real washing function. It works with or without water, offering 4 distinct sounds for an immersive experience. Listen to the sounds of water in, wash, water out, and spin as they play. This feature adds an extra layer of realism to their pretend chores. This toy is proudly made in China, ensuring quality and attention to detail in its construction. What we like. This toy offers a realistic pretend play experience with its real washing function and various sounds. If you are looking for a durable toy that sparks imagination and provides hours of fun for young children, this is a great choice. It's perfect for toddlers and preschoolers who love to mimic household chores. What people say. The Miele Mini washing machine is incredibly compact, making it perfect for small apartments or RVs. Despite its small size, it handles a decent load of laundry, suitable for singles or couples. The machine is surprisingly quiet during operation, which is a big plus for apartment living. Number 4. Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum. Experience powerful yet quiet cleaning with this advanced bagged canister vacuum. It's designed to work optimally on all your floor types, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Breathe easier with its maximum air hygiene system. The HEPA lifetime filter effectively captures up to 99.999% of tiny particles, including fine dust and allergens, for a healthier home. This vacuum is packed with features for added convenience. Enjoy integrated accessories, a comfortable handle, and effortless cord rewinding for a seamless cleaning experience. Say goodbye to back strain. Convenient foot switches allow you to easily control the suction power while standing, making cleaning less of a chore. It comes with a variety of specialized attachments, including floor heads for carpets and hard floors, a dusting brush, upholstery nozzle, and crevice nozzle. Everything you need for a complete clean is included. The electro brush features an integrated LED headlight, illuminating dark corners and under furniture. This ensures you don't miss any dust or debris, even in low-light conditions. What we like. Experience superior air hygiene with its HEPA filter, capturing 99.999% of fine dust and allergens. If you suffer from allergies or asthma, or simply desire the cleanest possible air in your home, this vacuum cleaner is an excellent option. Its powerful yet quiet performance makes it ideal for homes with both carpets and hard floors. What people say. The Miele Mini washing machine is compact and perfect for small spaces. It offers a variety of wash cycles suitable for different fabric types. The machine is energy efficient, saving on utility bills. Number 3. Miele WA Up 11401 LNA UltraPhase 1 Laundry Detergent. Discover the new look of Miele UltraPhase 1. Its improved formula now features a fresh aqua fragrance for your laundry needs. Achieve brilliantly white and vibrant colors with every wash. It provides excellent stain removal, even at low temperatures. This highly effective detergent is designed for efficiency. A little goes a long way, providing 47 wash cycles from just 1.4 liters. Enjoy the convenience of automatic dispensing. This feature prevents overdosing, ensuring optimal results every time. It's specifically designed for all Miele W1 washing machines equipped with the twin-dose system. Experience the difference it makes. Enjoy the revitalizing Miele Aqua fragrance that leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean. What we like. Achieve brilliant whites and vibrant colors with its advanced formula, designed for optimal stain removal even at low temperatures. If you own a Miele washing machine with twin dose and want the convenience of automatic detergent dispensing, this is the perfect solution. It ensures no overdosing and provides a fresh aqua scent for your laundry. What people say. The Miele twin dose system is actually wonderful. It is a miracle that our clothes comes out so clean. And yet they do. Like no other, the very best like most German products. Number 2. Miele Classic C1 Cat and Dog Vacuum. Introducing the Miele Classic C1 Cat and Dog, your ultimate solution for a cleaner home. This powerful vacuum is designed to tackle everyday messes with ease. Equipped with a robust 1200W motor and a generous dust bag, it delivers maximum suction to capture dust, dirt, and debris efficiently. Say goodbye to stubborn messes. Designed specifically for pet owners, it features specialized tools to deep clean carpets and effortlessly pick up pet hair. Plus, its advanced filter neutralizes unpleasant odors, leaving your home fresh. Cleaning every corner is no longer a challenge. With an extensive operating radius and an adjustable suction wand, you can reach even the most difficult spots with comfort and ease. Experience a new level of cleanliness with its advanced filtration system. It captures over 99.9% of fine dust, ensuring maximum hygiene for your living space. This comprehensive package includes everything you need for a spotless home. It comes with multiple specialized floor heads and attachments to handle any cleaning task. What we like. Specifically designed for pet owners, this vacuum effectively tackles pet hair and neutralizes odors with its active air clean filter. If you have furry friends at home and struggle with shedding and lingering smells, this cleaner offers enhanced cleaning power and flexibility. Its comprehensive filtration system ensures a hygienic environment for you and your pets. What people say. Easy to move around with 3 wheels versus 4 and great cleaning. So much quieter too. The power head swivels so effortlessly. This is fantastic. Easy peasy vacuuming now. The suction is adjustable so it works equally well on low pile throw rugs, low, and hardwood floors, high. It consistently cleans the floor well with a single pass. Number 1. Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog Vacuum Bundle. Introducing the Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog Vacuum. It's designed to tackle pet hair and keep your home clean. Breathe easier with its air clean sealed system. It's perfect for allergy sufferers, effectively reducing odors and pet smells. Experience powerful suction thanks to its 1200-watt vortex motor. This vacuum is built to last, with an average lifespan of 20 years. It includes a CB228 powerhead for deep carpet cleaning and a SBB 300-3 parquet floor brush for delicate surfaces. This bundle also comes with STB 101 mini turbo brush for upholstery and stairs, plus essential filter bags and HEPA filters. Crafted in Germany, this vacuum represents quality and durability. It's made to perform exceptionally for years to come. What we like. This bundle provides exceptional value with genuine Miele filter bags, a HEPA filter, and a powerful SEB228 powerhead perfect for deep carpet cleaning and pet hair removal. If you're a pet owner seeking a robust and long-lasting vacuum solution that ensures maximum air quality and deep cleaning performance, this is an outstanding choice. Its German engineering promises durability and reliability. What people say. The Miele Mini washing machine is incredibly compact, making it perfect for small apartments or RVs. Despite its small size, it handles a surprisingly large load for its dimensions. The machine is very quiet during operation, which is a huge plus for apartment living. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.